Guys, hi Fam Club, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make slime, glittery slime. So you want to take some glittery glue and put it in there. That's a lot. Oh, that is a lot. Now use some Tide. And there is my slime. Now you're going to need a spoon too and mix that up. My sister playing person
because it melted, so I had to add more Tide. And this is for Jacqueline. Subscribe, Jacqueline, please. Don't worry, I'm always cringy.
And comment down below if I should add Play-Doh or not.
No, you should not, you guys, because it melted my slime. Or Jacqueline's slime, see?
Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take off my jacket so I can knead it. Here, move brush. That's my brush. She has a pink one.
I think Jacqueline's going to subscribe to you, Patty. Because I showed her.
Now I'm just going to go ahead and knead your slime. Just knead it as. I'll get back to it and it's all kneaded. Don't start my video. Okay, so I had to clean up my mess. So I made a galaxy slime, so I added a little bit of glitter blue, glitter pink.
Yeah, it's my glue.
And glitter purple. But the pink and blue are my sister's, and the purple is mine. So here's my slime.
She used her red. All of it.
Yeah, I used all my red. It's a little bit stiff, but I think I need a little bit more glue. But you could also use Play-Doh, so I'm using this pink Play-Doh.
Yeah, it makes it sticky, but like if you add a little bit to like a big slime, it won't affect it.
So this is this is her slime that she made. Oh.
And then this is her slime that she made.
I'm still mixing up the Play-Doh in it, but I might add some more pink and purple.
If it doesn't work.
I'm just going to add a little bit to it. Okay, that's enough pink. I'm not really going to use blue because we used a lot of blue.
Yeah, because I made Jacqueline's slime.
You don't know who Jacqueline is. It's a girl at our school.
It's my friend Jacqueline.
So that's proof that I added some.
Mickey, me,
love number 3. Don't forget my fries and sweet tea. So this is supposed to be galaxy slime. I think it turned out really good because it looks like this little baby blue, and then the Play-Doh gives that little good tints to it. So I'm going to get you guys in the light. And I still do have, oh my god, I can't believe I'm saying. I still do have, the cup with the extra detergent in it. First, I unactivated it.
Look, you guys.
That means it was too sticky.
I never had a clear slime before, so.
Okay, you gotta hear the pop. My battery's going low. So, don't forget to subscribe, Fan Club. Love you guys.
Bye.